Coach is sorry for missing our meeting today, but we had a couple things we had to take care of at school. Just quick updates. One, please make sure at the end of the season you get me overall team GPAs. Two, I have all letters now for our school. I am looking at getting pens as we move forward. Be thinking about it if that's what we want to do as an athletic department. Go away from the embroidered letters and go toward the metal pens that we can add on. And then as an athletic department, we can work on getting that. If your season's beginning, please make sure you set up a time with me. That would be baseball, tennis, soccer, track. Make sure you're getting with me so we can discuss, all the ins and outs of your season as we move forward. The next coaches PLC is on the 26th. Please, head coaches, make sure you make points to be there. Reclassification, make sure you've been in contact with your specific sports as we start to set up things as we move forward and get going. Dragonfly and eligibility, make sure you've gotten you've checked Dragonfly and make sure all your athletes are good and clear and they've gone through there. And then eligibility, please make sure, one, I've checked your rosters. If I haven't, get that on there. If you add anybody, I need to see them as soon as possible. And if we have anybody coming from transferring from other schools, I need to see them even sooner. So please make sure we get that taken care of as we go forward. If you have any questions, as always, shoot me an email, and we will have our next meeting in person as we go from there. One last thing. Just be cognizant that COVID numbers are going up, so you need to really look at what you're doing with your practices as we go forward. Yes, things have changed, but with where we're at and what times are going, please be cognizant of how we handle things and where we're at. Try to spread out practices, try to make sure we're not sharing water bottles, all the same practices we were doing the past 2 years. Let's make sure we don't shy away from those. Thanks, guys. Hope it's going well. Appreciate all you do, and good luck.